Welcome to Achieve More. Money matters can be intimidating for even the smartest people. However, having a solid understanding of basic financial terms and methods is crucial to your career. When terms like ROI, EBIT, GAAP, and extrapolation join the conversation, you'll want to know what people are talking about, and you'll want to be able to participate in the discussion. The Budgets and Financial Reports workshop will give you a solid foundation in finance. We'll cover topics like commonly used terms, financial statements, budgets, forecasting, purchasing decisions, and financial legislation. We believe in offering the best recommendations for your needs, giving each client a great experience and efficient service. We do this by ensuring that all your requirements are met, that all your requests are fulfilled, and that we provide you with the best solutions each time. We base our process on your requirements and your requests, which allow us to conduct specific analysis that produces better recommendations of solutions and ultimately better results in your experience. Thank you for trusting us with your employee development. Expedite your learning management with Achieve More. Urgency is at our core.